Every man needs a solid set of tools, not just for fixing things, but for being ready for anything life throws at you. Today, I'm breaking down 12 must-have tools that will make your everyday projects easier, smarter, and way more efficient. Let's dive in. Number 1. The Nuvalware Damaged Screw Extractor Set is designed for one of the most frustrating problems in DIY and repair work: stripped or broken screws. This kit includes 22 pieces, combining drill bits and extractors in 10 different sizes, which makes it versatile enough to handle a wide range of screws and bolts. Made from high-speed alloy steel 4341 grade, the tools are durable and strong, ensuring they can withstand the pressure needed to grip and remove damaged fasteners. The process is straightforward. First, drill into the damaged screw with a bit slightly smaller than its size. Then use the matching extractor in reverse with a hand drill to pull it out. The set comes neatly packed in a small storage box, making it easy to keep organized and portable. With clearly defined bit and extractor sizes, it's a practical solution for anyone who frequently encounters worn or stuck screws. Number 2. The Swan Lake 118-piece magnetic screwdriver set is built for people who want a complete, organized toolkit for everyday repairs. With a wide range of screwdrivers, sockets, ratchet handles, and Allen keys, it covers everything from small electronics to larger household projects. One of its standout features is the magnetic tips, which help hold screws in place, especially useful when working in tight or awkward spaces where dropping a screw can be frustrating. The set also comes with a plastic racking system, making it easy to keep tools organized and visible in a workshop or garage. Instead of rummaging through a cluttered box, you can quickly grab the exact tool you need. Because it includes so many sizes and types, it's versatile enough for tasks like assembling furniture, repairing appliances, or even more specialized work such as gunsmithing. Overall, it's a practical, well-rounded kit for anyone who values efficiency and order in their workspace. Number 3. The 26-piece stainless steel manicure kit is more than just nail clippers. It's a complete personal care set designed to handle grooming from head to toe. Inside the travel case, you'll find tools for hand care, facial care, and foot care, making it versatile enough to cover everything from trimming nails to shaping eyebrows, or even tackling small skin concerns like acne. Each piece is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, which means the tools are sharp, durable, and resistant to wear over time. The variety of instruments allows you to manage routine grooming without needing multiple separate kits. Having everything in one place also makes it easy to stay organized, whether you're at home or traveling. The compact case ensures portability while keeping the tools protected. For anyone who values neatness and self-care, this kit provides a practical way to maintain personal grooming with efficiency and convenience. Number 4. Tangled cords and hoses are a common frustration in garages, workshops, and even around the house. The 2025 stocking stuffer extension cord holder offers a simple but clever solution. Instead of relying on traditional Velcro straps that can be fiddly, this design uses a gravity-driven mechanism that allows you to secure cords with just one hand in a matter of seconds. The straps grip tightly, preventing cables or hoses from slipping, which reduces clutter and minimizes safety hazards like tripping. With adjustable buckles, they can handle everything from small electronics cords to heavy-duty outdoor extension cables. Built from durable nylon with aluminum hardware, they're strong enough to hold up to 100 pounds, making them reliable for both indoor and outdoor use. The set includes multiple sizes, so you can match the strap to the job. For anyone who values an organized workspace, these holders make cord management effortless and efficient. Number 5. The RAK magnetic pickup tool is designed to solve one of the most common workshop problems: retrieving small items that fall into tight or dark spaces. With a telescoping neck that extends up to 22 inches and bends in any direction, it can reach into awkward corners where hands or standard tools can't fit. The magnetic tip provides a strong grip, making it easy to recover screws, nails, bolts, or other metal parts without fumbling. A built-in LED flashlight adds another layer of practicality, illuminating crawl spaces, attics, or engine compartments where visibility is limited. The magnetic base also allows for hands-free use when attached to a metallic surface, which is especially useful during repairs. Compact yet versatile, this tool finds applications in automotive work, plumbing, home improvement, and even outdoor activities like camping or fishing. It's a simple but effective solution for keeping small mishaps from slowing down bigger projects. Number 6. The UUP Heavy-Duty Roll-Up Tool Bag is designed for people who want to keep their tools organized without carrying a bulky box. Made from durable Oxford fabric with a PVC coating, it's both strong and water-resistant, which means it can handle tough conditions in garages, workshops, or outdoor environments. The bag includes 4 large fixed compartments, 2 detachable pouches, and several exterior pockets, giving you plenty of options to store everything from screwdrivers and wrenches to smaller items like nails and sockets. The detachable pouches are especially useful for keeping small parts separate, so you don't waste time digging through a pile of tools. When rolled up, the bag becomes compact and easy to carry, making it practical for trips or emergency repairs. Whether stored in a truck, motorcycle, or even a boat, it saves space while keeping essential tools close at hand. It's a simple, efficient solution for portable organization. Number 7. The RAK multi-tool pen is a compact gadget that combines everyday writing with practical utility. Built with a sturdy aluminum body, it's designed to handle more than just jotting down notes. This pen integrates 11 different functions, including a small LED light for visibility, a stylus tip for touchscreen devices, rulers in both metric and standard measurements, a bubble level for quick alignment, a bottle opener, and even a Phillips screwdriver. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry in a pocket, desk drawer, or glove box, so it's always within reach when you need it. The multi-tool pen is especially useful for quick fixes at home or on the go, whether you're tightening a loose screw, checking a level surface, or simply opening a bottle. With its blend of practicality and portability, it's a versatile, everyday carry item that adds convenience to both work and leisure. Number 8. The Jorist 150 2-in-1 precision screwdriver set is designed for people who regularly work with electronics, small devices, or intricate repairs. With 140 different bits, including Torx, Phillips, Pentalobe, Tri-Wing, and more, it covers nearly every screw type found in laptops, phones, gaming consoles, cameras, and even eyeglasses. The inclusion of longer bits makes it easier to reach recessed screws, while duplicates of commonly used sizes ensure you're not left without a backup. The handle is built with a rotatable cap and an extendable toolbar, allowing for better control and access in tight spaces. Made from durable CRV steel, the bits resist wear and maintain strength over time. Beyond screwdrivers, the set includes accessories like a flexible shaft for angled work, a magnetizer and demagnetizer, a magnetic mat to keep track of tiny screws, and pry tools for safe disassembly. Packed in a sturdy storage box, it keeps everything organized and ready for use. Number 9. The Zavit Small Pocket Knife is designed to be a lightweight, everyday carry tool that balances convenience with functionality. Measuring just under 4 inches and weighing only 2 ounces, it's compact enough to fit comfortably in a pocket or hang from a belt using its built-in keychain. The folding blade design makes it safe to store and easy to deploy when needed. Despite its small size, the knife is versatile. It can handle routine tasks like peeling fruit, sharpening pencils, cutting rope, or opening cardboard boxes. Beyond daily use, it's also practical for outdoor activities such as fishing, hiking, camping, or traveling, where a reliable cutting tool often comes in handy. Its portability means you don't have to think twice about carrying it, and the folding mechanism ensures it stays secure when not in use. For anyone who values preparedness, this pocket knife is a simple but useful addition to everyday gear. Number 10. The RAK Super Universal Socket Tool is made to fit many different bolts and nuts without changing sockets. It uses 54 steel rods that move with springs. These rods adjust to the shape of the fastener and hold it firmly. The tool works with both standard sizes from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch and metric sizes from 7 millimeters to 19 millimeters. This means you can use one socket for many jobs. The socket is built from strong chrome vanadium steel. This material is tough, resists rust, and lasts a long time. The set also includes a drill adapter, so you can connect it to a power drill. This makes work faster and easier. The universal socket is useful for home repairs, car work, or do-it-yourself projects. It saves space in your toolbox and reduces the need for many separate sockets. Number 11. The Katurk 6-piece hex shank screwdriver bit holder is designed to make tool changes faster and easier. Each holder is built for 1/4 inch hex shank drill bits, which means it works with most electric screwdrivers, handheld screwdrivers, and hex sockets. A secure backup nut design locks the bit in place, while a steel ball mechanism adds extra grip so the bits do not slip or fall out, even when holding heavier loads. This makes the holder reliable for everyday construction or repair tasks. The design also allows for one-handed operation, so you can switch bits quickly without interrupting your workflow. Each holder comes in a different color, which helps you identify the right bit at a glance. Made from aluminum alloy, the holders are strong but lightweight, making them easy to carry on a keychain or in a tool bag. They combine durability with convenience for efficient work. Number 12. The Toolkit Impact Torx bit set is built for heavy-duty work, where ordinary bits often fail. This 27-piece set includes sizes from T10 to T40, covering the most common fasteners used in automotive repair, electronics, and construction. Each bit is made from impact-grade steel, giving it strength and durability under high torque. At 3 inches long, the bits are especially useful for reaching into tight spaces where shorter bits cannot reach. The fit is precise, which means they stay locked into screw heads without slipping or stripping, even when used with an impact driver. The set comes in a sturdy case that keeps all the pieces organized and easy to access, saving time during projects. For anyone who has struggled with bits that snap or wear out quickly, this set offers a reliable solution. It reduces frustration, protects fasteners, and makes demanding jobs more manageable.